Morning, guys. It's David with TradingProof.com. Today is November 16th, 2016. Trying my new webcam. Everyone asked to see my face. I don't know why, because I didn't shave, but here it is. So, anyways, I want to talk about the positions I have on currently. I wanted to put a video earlier when I placed these trades. I just didn't. I didn't have time. But today these are going to expire, so I need to close these out, and I want to talk about where I am. The trades are up here, but I've emulated them down here so I can change the pricing as I did in the last videos. You can see right now I'm basically break even. I put on my first position for 30 cents. Market moved up. Put on a hedge position for 15 cents, both credits. So 45-cent credit. And today I have to close these positions out. I have to at least close out the short positions. Of course, the best place for me to be would be right at 216, and that may or may not happen. The longer in the day I hold on to this, the more profit I can make if the market moves down. But at this point, we're so close. I just want to move in this area here and start taking profits. Notice my maximum loss does not occur until about 223 and a half, and that probably will not happen. Not saying it can't happen. Saying it probably will. It would be a good 2% move already, and we're up. How much are we up so far today? We're actually down, so we're not up at all. We're down a quarter percent. But let me show you my SPY chart and show you what I'm trying to do. Here's pre-market. We hit about 218 overnight. Came all the way down here. What about 217.40? We opened up a little strong. Came right up back towards 218. It looks like now we're moving back down. So I don't panic because I have all day. But ideally, what I would do is start taking profits. Now this one down here is going to have the most profit right now. And so let me just show you. I'm unlocked this here. So right now we're showing another 7-cent credit. So I'm up, 22 cents. I have an order in to close this out for 20-cent credit, which would be a 35-cent gain on a trade. For that to happen, let me just isolate this trade. For that to happen, the market's going to have to move down a little bit and have some time value happen, which is happening right now. We've got 6 hours to the close. So every minute we're getting closer and closer. And again, these expire today. So if we pull back a little bit here, say towards 217.50 within the next hour, I'll have about 35 hours profit. If it happens in 3 or 4 hours, I'll have actually even more money because this white line will start dragging up closer towards this peak, which which is nice, but it doesn't mean I'm going to get that. So, and again, I'm only trading 3 contracts, just illustrating that anybody with a small trading account can make decent money. Overall, right now, this whole trade is $900. So I've invested 900. Let me put these back to where they need to be, though. Invested $900 for a max gain of about 325 bucks. Max loss would be about 765. Again, that's probably not going to happen. If I do lose, it's probably going to be in this area here, maybe $100. Not the end of the world. Again, I don't win every position. I can't win every position. So it's just part of the game. So that's my plan today. I've got the order in to close to 217 and a half for a 20-cent credit. I don't know if I'm going to get that. But if I do get it, that means this spread here will probably start profiting. Right now, this is the one that's losing. Let me isolate that trade, and you can see we're down about $57, 55 bucks right now. So if we move down beyond 217 and a quarter, this trade will start making money. And that's why I put this hedge trade on. You can see, because now I'm losing money. I put the hedge on, and at this point now I'm only at break even. So I may lose on this position, may make a little something here, break even for the day, or I may lose out on both. But we'll just have to see what the market does. And again, I'm hoping, of course, we come down here and test these overnight lows, maybe break down below them. And I won't hesitate to close these. If we break these lows, obviously the market could continue to sell off or it could bounce right back up. So if we hit these lows, I will start closing this position out and probably take a small profit on this one and a nice profit on that one. And I close out the Wednesday expiration, and later today, hopefully, I'll put on another Wednesday trade and I'll just keep the cycle going. Now let me show you really quick my Friday trade. This one's looking pretty nice. I put this one on for just a 22-cent credit. trading at 15 cents. So I'm up 6, 7 cents. Not something I would close out yet. Again, I still have a couple more days. So ideally, the market will stay in this area here. So I feel better about it. If it starts coming up here, if we really start taking off again today, I'll put another hedge trade. Well, I'll put my first hedge trade on it, which would be what I did on this Wednesday trade. So, anyways, that's where I'm at today, and I'll try to come back later and do one more video and let you know how it all turned out. Thanks for watching.